It's day 5 of our 6 days of giveaways, which is really sad because we only have 2 days left. But it has been amazing and I can't wait to bring you 2 more, even more amazing brands and spread the joy this Christmas. And I know the things that bring me joy is the outdoors and looking after my health and well-being. So we're going to inspire you guys to do the same and hopefully get one lucky person the opportunity to do this more. I have one sport that practically defines me and defines my life, and I know that's the same for a lot of you. So today we are working with them along with the dealer that deals them. So for day 5, we're working with Poseidon Sports, Code Foils and Kaohi Leash. Now this is a collaboration with all of these brands because they are the brands that support me. Obviously Code Foils is my foil sponsor and they have been kind enough to put into the sponsor one of their new stainless steel bolt kits. Along with Poseidon Sports, who deals my Code Foils, is putting in one of the Code Foils UV Rashies and bucket hats. And Poseidon has also put in Kaohi Leash of your choice. So there's a lot of exciting goodies in today's giveaway and they are all things that I obviously swear by again and use every day that I'm on the water. So for all my code foilers or foilers who want to switch to code, this one's for you. So make sure you read the description and enter in the giveaway. Stay tuned for the final day tomorrow, day 6, where we have a very exciting brand and a very exciting giveaway. So for a few more details on today's giveaway, Kaohi Leash is an amazing foil leash brand who does all different designs and styles to best suit your foiling needs. They have coils, they have straight leash, they have this bungee cord which is stretchy but not too stretchy, super safe, and you can customize it. So you can do any kind of waist leash or leash you want to do. So they are an amazing brand. Highly recommend to get them if you're looking for a leash. So in this giveaway pack is the Code Foils bucket hat, which is a really cute and good hat just for everyday use, and the UV Rashie, so you can really represent Team Code. The other thing which I actually don't have with me today but you will be receiving is the stainless steel bolt kit from Code, where there's little Code logos on the bolts. Everything has a T30 head, so it's one tool to tighten all of it and super handy. These are a new bolt kit from Code and that's what you would get in a replacement bolt kit from Code. And it's also what will be coming with all future Code Foils products. So I hope you get amongst this giveaway. I can't wait to see who wins it and who gets the best use out of it. So good luck and I'll see you tomorrow.